Hey you guys, so this is our new listing at 1706 Webster Avenue here in Fayetteville, North Carolina. It has an incredible yard. It is a ranch home with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it is ready for you to call it home. It has like the crown molding details, the dental molding I should say. So when you walk into the foyer, you have all of this incredibly beautiful dental molding along the edges. So pretty. Totally love it. You have your formal living room, a formal dining room. We'll go that way. The carpet is in excellent shape. Your home is move-in ready. All of your bedrooms are on this side. You have your hall bathroom with a single vanity. You have your linen closet right here in the hallway. Let me bring you back a little bit. You have the first bedroom right here to the right. I love the floor-to-ceiling windows. When you come in, this is a huge bedroom. It will hold a king-size bed. Will also hold a queen, plus your chest of drawers, your nightstands, all that great stuff. You come back out and go down the hall. You have another bedroom at the end of the hall, super huge. I'm gonna go this way so you can see it still has the floor to ceiling windows. You have the closet right there. As you come back out, you turn right and go into the master bedroom, huge master bedroom. Let me show you how big it is. It can fit a queen size bed, king size bed, whatever you decide. It's a really wide room, so tons of space. You can fit all your furniture in here. You have a walk-in closet. You can always change those racks out and do the wire racking. And then also you have a stand-up shower and bathroom in the master bathroom. As we turn right and come back out, there's the closet right to the front. Let's see what's in here. So that's just another storage closet to the right. And then over here to the right, you have your den area. I don't have all the blinds open, but you have this huge den. I'm gonna go this way so you can check it out and you can see it. It's huge, you're gonna love it. I'm gonna go across the room and span back over so you can see it again. Look how huge that is. You can fit all your furniture in there, have all your incredible family gatherings. I'm gonna take you, before we go outside, I just saw some squirrels playing. The backyard is like a park setting. So look, you have this huge kitchen. You have all this space so you can have your eating kitchen, your dining room table, everything in here. Plus you have a formal dining room, but you have all of the real wood cabinets because this is an older home, but super gorgeous, totally affordable. You're going to love it. It has the stove, the dishwasher. It has these beautiful, rich, dark wood cabinets, and has vinyl flooring, so easy to maintain, very low maintenance. Out here you have a newer hot water heater, and then we have the laundry room. So how cool is that? Over there your dryer would go. And then you have your single car garage, you have the attic entry, and you have the exterior with a great shed out back. How cool is that? We come back, turn around, come back through the kitchen, and we're gonna go into your formal dining room. I love how it has the chair rail across the wall and the dental molding, and you can always update or switch out light fixtures if you want to, but this is affordable. This is a great home, great space. Look how huge the living room is. If you wanted to, at some future date, you could always open that wall up if that's not a load-bearing wall, and you would have an open floor plan right into the den area. But in the meanwhile, this is a great location. It's right in the middle of Fayetteville, close to the mall, minutes to the mall, minutes to Fort Bragg. You're on the main thoroughfare to everything. So let's head out back so you can take a look at the backyard. Oh my gosh, look at this deck. Now I did sell my client the home, but I forgot how incredible this deck was because I haven't been here in 7 years, right? I think they purchased it back in 2013. Now they're ready to let another client have it as a beautiful home. So look, there's a crawl space down below, and you have another area right down here where you could set your grill. You have the lights on the edge of the deck. I love it. So let me step down so you can have another look at the deck and see how expansive it is. It's actually attached, so if you wanted to, you could have a contractor glass this entire thing in, screen it in, however you want to do it, and now you have a Florida room. How cool is that? So there is a lot of straw out here, so I want to be careful walking out here, but I do want to show you the grill area or patio for additional seating. There's so many squirrels out here. I hope they don't jump me. That would be a YouTube moment, wouldn't it? And then look how beautiful the deck is. And so then you have the other door over here off the laundry room. And I am going to be brave and open up the shed. So this shed comes with the home. So let's open it up. I don't think it's locked. So look, huge shed, wired, hello, she shed, man cave, she cave, whatever you want to call it, game room for the kids. That is incredible. So this is our new listing at 1706 Webster. It's fully fenced rear yard, totally gorgeous, feels like home. Hey, give me a call. It's Garlinda Price, your realtor for life. You already know that. Fusion Properties, broker and owner, CEO, 910-494-7798. Oh, and did I mention this on the crawl space? I might have said that. And look at that roof. Almost like new. It may be new. I don't know. I have to ask the owner. Totally incredible. Low maintenance home. Let's call it home today.